How to improve your listening skills.
Hello and welcome to another exciting episode of English with Altaf. I'm your host Altaf, and today we have a very useful topic for all English learners.
Hi everyone, I'm Sarah, and in this video we're going to talk about how to improve your listening skills in English. So if you struggle to understand spoken English, stay with us.
That's right, Sarah. Many students say, I can read and write, but I can't understand native speakers. That's a common problem. But the good news is, it can be solved with the right methods.
Absolutely. We'll share easy and practical tips to help you become a better listener in English. Let's get started.
Sarah, why do you think listening is so difficult for English learners?
Well, Altaf, when people speak in real life, they speak fast. They connect words. They use informal language. That's not how we read in books. That's why learners get confused.
Very true. Also, in real conversations, there are accents, background noises, and emotion. All of these make listening more challenging.
So what can students do to improve their listening?
The first step is to listen every day. Just like we practice speaking or writing, we must practice listening. It's a skill. You have to train your ears.
That's a great point. But many people say, I don't have time to listen every day. What can we say to them?
I would say start small, just 10 minutes a day. Listen to a podcast, a YouTube video, or even English songs. The key is to be regular. Don't miss a day.
And I would add, choose something you enjoy. If you like cooking, listen to a cooking show in English. If you like sports, find sports commentary. It keeps you interested.
Yes, listening should not be boring. Let's talk about active listening versus passive listening. What's the difference?
Good question. Passive listening is when you just play something in the background, like music, but you're not really focused. Active listening is when you pay full attention.
Exactly. And to improve, you need active listening. That means you listen, try to understand, pause, and even repeat what you hear.
One good method is to listen and write down what you hear. This is called dictation. It helps improve your listening and spelling.
Yes, and another technique is shadowing. You listen to a short sentence, pause, and repeat it with the same tone and speed. It improves your pronunciation and understanding.
Altaf. Some students say, I don't understand anything. It's too fast.
They can start with slow English. Many websites and YouTube channels have slow conversations. For example, news in slow English or simple podcasts for learners.
And you can also use subtitles. First, listen with subtitles, then without them. It's like training wheels on a bicycle.
Exactly. Slowly, your brain will start to catch words and phrases. But be patient. It takes time.
Altaf. Do you think watching movies or TV shows helps with listening?
Yes, it's very helpful. You learn real-life conversations, expressions, and slang. But don't try to understand everything. Just enjoy the show and catch the main ideas.
I agree. And if you watch the same episode 2 or 3 times, your understanding will improve each time.
Great tip. Also, try listening to the same thing without looking at the video. Just close your eyes and listen. It makes your brain focus more.
That's true. And another helpful method is to listen and then summarize what you heard. It checks your understanding.
Yes. For example, after listening to a short story, try to tell it in your own words. You can do this with a friend or record yourself.
Altaf, what about listening to English songs? Is that good practice?
Yes, as long as you also read the lyrics. Some songs have fast or unclear pronunciation, so listen with lyrics first, then without them.
That's fun and useful. I also like English audiobooks. They are a great way to listen and learn new vocabulary.
Great idea. And the best part is, you can listen while doing other things. Walking, cooking, traveling.
Multitasking while learning. That's smart. Altaf, do you think talking to native speakers helps improve listening?
Of course. When you talk to native speakers, you hear real pronunciation and rhythm. It's the best practice if you can find someone.
Yes. And if not, you can use language exchange apps or join English clubs online.
True. Even talking to yourself in English is helpful. Record your voice, listen, and improve.
There are also many YouTube channels and podcasts specially made for learners. They speak clearly and teach step by step.
Yes, and we try to do the same here at English with Altaf. We want our learners to understand and enjoy every video.
That's why today's video is so important. Listening is the key to speaking better English too.
Exactly. When you understand more, you speak with more confidence. Listening builds your language foundation.
So, friends, let's review what we've learned in this video.
Sure, first, we learned that listening is a skill. You need to practice it daily.
Start with slow and simple English. Use subtitles at first, and try listening to things you enjoy.
Use techniques like dictation, shadowing, summarizing, and repeating.
Watch movies, listen to podcasts, audiobooks, and songs with lyrics. And talk to others if possible.
Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just keep listening. Day by day, your ears will get better.
Thanks for watching this episode. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English with Altaf.
And remember, practice every day. Your listening skills will grow, and so will your confidence in English.
Take care and keep learning. Bye.
Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next video on English with Altaf.